I need to do the sections that couple this thing together, the tubing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the bottom section. Right. I'm not keen on this bottom bit I did actually, because I'll tell you why. Because it sticks out when I print it, I'm going to have a ton of support material under there, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically make a separate piece later on. So I'm going to put it on, make it flush, and I think I'm probably just going to delete that out actually. Delete that maybe. Because it's just, yeah, it's hard to print, and it's better to just print something separately later. And I need to go and grab some coffee as well in a sec, because let me just see, how easy is it to, because I divided it by 100, so I probably can't easily get rid of it. No, I can't easily get rid of it. I'm just gonna what I'll do is I'll put that hole in a minute. Oops, wrong one. What am I doing? My shift key my control key keeps getting stuck. Right, I'll just fill the hole in a minute, and then all I have to do is, let's see, I forgot how wide it is. Yeah, it's 30mm, so all I have to do now is basically select all of that, except the except the face. I don't want the face, and I don't want that face, and delete. Right, I'll make sure I haven't destroyed anything else. And now I'm just going to put that back. Hang on, that's the spacer that's sticking out. So that's 15. Divide by 100. What have we done now? What the hell have we done here? Oh! Hang on. What's going on here? Oh, that's right. Yeah. Just a minute. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn it. Messed that up. Okay, undo. Undo. Right, they're back. I went and deleted the friggin' fins on my thing as well. Damn it. Right, so all I want is unselect that, unselect that. Has it gone selected the stuff on the bottom again? It has. Freaking heck. Oh, I hate it when it does that. So I've got to do it the hard way because it's going to be a real pain otherwise. Ah, wow, did I delete anything in there? Don't think so. Right, so can I erase that now? Right, yeah, I think we're okay, I think we're good. Just to make sure make sure my leading edges are still 100% intact. Looks like they are. Right, so I hid part of that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fill that hole again a minute because I want a centre and it's easy to do it this way. Right, so I've got to centre. I want to be, let's see, that's 52. I want a good gap of about 65. Right. Divide by 100. Now I need another one. That's 65, so one to make the wall thickness about 2.5 millimeters is enough. So let's see. Oh damn it! Hang on a minute. Calculator. We'll divide it. 65 divided by 2. I can't add up. 32.5. I want to subtract minus 2.5. So I want 30 millimeters. So that's not right. What have I done here? What have I done here? What have I done here? What the heck? That can't be right. Hang on a minute. No, I made that mouse too big. Shh. What am I doing? Undo that. Undo that. Let's just measure this a minute. 52, right, from the centre. So 52 plus 2.5, 54.5. Right, 54.5. I'll do it the other way. No, that's wrong. Done it again. No, that's the. Oh, hang on a minute. Plus 2.5. 57, right? On 57. Right. That's the going to be the inside wall when I sort this right now. 50. Let's do this. 57 plus 2.5. 59.5. Right. No, 59. Yeah, 59.5. My eyes are terrible. Okay, now let's delete. What the hell have I done now? Hang on, get rid of that. I don't want more than one face. Right, okay, so my wall is that. Now let's divide that. Divide by 100. Right, I've got a nice gap. I need a nice gap for the air to switch places, basically. 119 millimeters. Right, so now I'm going to flip that over. And I'm going to bring that up to the top of there. And oh, the stator needs to be coupled to that. That's what I was doing. Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. Yeah, it's me, I'm not with it today. That's why I've got my gap there already. Stupid me, what? It's because I'm filming it. Whenever you film something, you just can't think straight. I need to stop talking. I know what I'll do. I know what I'm going to do. Easy, it's easy peasy. Select all connected. Make group. Scale it. Easy way of doing it. Right. Right, I'm just going to scale it down. Hang on. No, this is... Oops, I need to undo that. I want the uniform scale. That's it. Right. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, perfect. Right. Okay, so that's going to sit on that stator plate there, like that. and the airflow, as I was talking in the previous video, will be able to switch places and redirect through the stator that's at the bottom. Right, so I need to redo this. Hang on a minute. Edit. That wants to be flush with the top of here. On face, right. Now I have to put a lid on that. Oh, I actually want it to be a bit higher than that. Yeah, I want a gap. So it's flush with the face on there. So I have to bring that up, give clearance of 0.4. I'm going to go be generous, 0.4 millimeters. So I should have it should be slightly higher, about 0.4 higher. Oh, let me just undo that, see if I did it right. Undo. Yeah, right, redo. Yeah, okay. So it's a bit high, it's 0.4 millimeters higher. Now I've got to put a lid on that. Let's put a lid on this. Right. Now I want this lid to be... Can I delete that? No, not really. I don't want to delete that, do I? What I do now is reverse the face. Right. Reverse face. Reverse face. Right. Now I want to be in the middle. Just a minute. This isn't working. Hang on a minute. Undo that. Undo that. That didn't work. See, at the moment I want... Well, that face is on the inside. That wants to be... Where's the hole in the middle? Right, there's my hole, which I filled in. No, I didn't. This is the lid. Right, there's my gap. Right there. I want to reverse that. So that's white on the inside. And extrude it by... Oh no, that's not good. Damn it. Just undo that a minute. Extrude it, right, by 2.5 millimeters. I'm trying to save plastic here. Right, now if I bring that up, now that should be my lid. Let's x-ray that and see. Or is it messed up? This is not going well. Just a minute. Turn the x-ray off. Let's just delete this layer. Ha! It didn't give me a lid, it's just one layer. That's no good. Right. Undo, undo, you little twat. Oh, this is a lid, because this should be... It's because let's go and look inside here. Right, oh I see, right, flipping layers of faces are all messed up. Ugh, this is annoying. I'm just going to undo this. Because it's not working. Alright, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to hide this lot in here. Hide that lot. Oops. Oh yeah, it's attached to that, isn't it? Just a minute. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Well, that's weird. I didn't scale that other thing down, did I? Hope not. That's weird. Hang on a minute. Edit. Oh, that's a separate group. Ah, I just thank God for that. I think. Oh, I see what's happened. That's right. I need to regroup that. Select all connected. Make group. Hide that group. That's it. Now I've got it. Now go back to this thing. Edit. Right, now I can do it. Right, let's do this again. Now let's look inside. Okay, I need to, right, let's bring that up by 2 millimeters. Ah, that's what the problem is. I need to create a new face inside here. Right. Line. Done it, but it's wrong way around, so let's reverse it. Reverse face, that's it. Now I've finally got a bloody lid. Yeah, we've got a lid now. But this one's pulling up more. Right, let's have a look. X-ray it. Go inside. What the heck is going on with these frigging faces? Orient faces, right. No, that's backwards now. Orient faces. Ah! Reverse. Reverse. Shit, this isn't going well. orient faces. Sketchup, you are a pain in the butt sometimes. Reverse. I know what I need to do. I've got to get rid of this frigging line. It's messing everything up. Let's make sure I've not deleted my wall. Nope, still there. Am I still alive? Looks like it. Only problem when you divide it by 100 segments is you can't delete it all in one go, which is a pain. You've got to delete all the 100 segments. And if it was a square, I could just select a square, but I can't select round things on this version easily. Right, now if I orient the faces now. Oh no, what's happened here? What? Oh, come off it. You've got to be kidding me. What is going on with this thing? I know what I'll do, hang on. What is going on with this thing? Orient faces, thank you. Right. I'm going to go have a look inside here. What's going on with this thing? Oh no! I've got a frigging... Oh shit. This isn't... Sorry about my language, I'm just getting really annoyed with this now. Another wall inside here now. This is really nuts. I'm just going to start again. Select all. Actually no, I just have to delete the frigging group. I've just deleted it. Right, because I'm better with that one. Right, bring the other stuff back. What am I doing? Oh. Wrong one. Where is it? Where's that one? I don't get it. It says hide, but it's already hidden. Edit group. Unhide. Right. Where's my stator gone? Oh no, I deleted my frigging stator as well. Oh well, no worries. Unhide. Right, stator, edit group, copy, right, back to square one. I'll have to make sure I keep the stator separate. That's what's gone wrong. The stator was attached and it messed everything up. So what I'm going to do this time, close everything out. I need to hide that bottom stuff. Hang on. Just a minute. Edit group, stator cut. Right. Close group. Edit group. Paste in place. Right. Okay. Bottom group can disappear. Hide that. Right. Right, I should have two separate groups now. Yes, I have two separate groups. Right. Hide that one. Now edit this group. Put a temporary face on here a minute. Oh. What a temporary. That's not working. I'll do it on the other side. Oh, it's this thing again. Right. Oh, back to this frigging thing. I'm just going to leave it there for now. Right. I just want a centre. Right, so I've got a temporary centre. Right, I want to be on the edge. Oh, no, I want to close this out first. That's what I made the mistake for last time. Right, close the group. Right, now make. Come on, give me the centre, will you? Ah, you friggin' awkward bugger. Got you. Right. Right, up to there. This is what I went. I did wrong last time. Right. I want the edge. Divide. 100. Right. And I want to be a wall thickness about 2.6. So Come on. Right, I'll tell you what I'll do. Hang on. Hide. Oops, wrong one. Edit group. Hide that one. Right, okay, that's what I want. So let's just put some thickness to it. I want it to be, why does it give me a red thing? Oh, edit group. Right, I want to be 1.5 millimeters thick. Don't need it to be that thick. Actually, that's probably too thick anyway, but no, I'll go a bit lower. 0.4. So that's about 1.1 millimeters thick. Right, I want to be 2.5 millimeters in. Find my axis. 2.5. Right, let's draw a circle up to that dot. Divide delete guide now. Right, now punch a hole in it. Oh, shall I punch a hole in it? Yeah, I'm going to punch a hole in it. Come on. Oh. Right. Right, bring my other thing back. Ah, have I got the top one or the bottom one? That's right, I think. Right, alright. Right. That's connected to the stator now, but it's a separate group, so it should be alright. Let's see. Right, bring that up. 0.4. Right. So the blades are encapsulated in there. The stator on the rotary one, and I want a lid on it again. This is where things went weird last time, but I'm hoping it will work this time. Oh, I've got an idea. I have an idea. Nope, that won't work either. I know the problem is. Right, let's just. What I need to do is bring the outside up first. Right, outside up by 1.1, I think. Yeah. Right, okay, that'll work. Now reverse that face. Right. Make another face on top of there. Now delete this crap, and then I should be in business. Just have a peek inside there. Uh-oh. What the hell is going wrong with this thing? No, that's not working. What the heck? Alright, I'll just leave that. Undo that. I'm going to have to leave that in. I'll figure it out. What's going on with it? Right. New hole in the middle. I need coffee. What's going on? Autosave is blocking me again. Freaking autosave. What the hell is going on? Oh. It froze up on me. Where's the center gone? Ugh. Ah, there you are. Right, so I want to look. How we are going to be? Oh, stop jumping. 12. Oh. Right. Right, so this is the case that goes around it. Now, actually, having those actually that might still be useful, having that thing there, because I can still extend it out. Right, so that's the state of the rotary system cover thing, and basically these are in sets. So let's just close that, hide it. Right, unhide it. I've got a gap. Don't want much of a gap because that's where air can leak. So let's have a look, see what gap I've got. I think it should be right. Blue axis is 0.4 millimeters. That's good. It'll be fatter once it's 3D printed anyway. It always is. Right, okay, I think that'll work. I've got to get rid of that frigging thing, because I'm going to make separate rings. I'll stick them on later on. Right, I've got that. Just let me think. I think my hole is a bit small. Yeah, I didn't get it right. Didn't get it right size. Okay, well, I'll redo that. Let's see. Actually, this hole. Yeah, I can. That'll be. Oh no, I can't really do that. Oh, what I can do is recess it a bit. Edit group. Edit group. Yeah, that'll work. Because it's sucking air in there anyway, so it wants to be a little bit recessed. I think that's just the top cover as well. Yeah, it is, so that's okay. Yeah, it's 30 millimeters. I forgot my own measurements earlier on. So this cover one wants to be the same. X-ray. Right, that's better. Now I should better get rid of all of that without affecting anything because it's a separate group. Right, let's have a look. Oh, did I break something else? Uh-oh. No, I don't think I have. Right. 15. That's it. Yay! Finally got the hole the right size. Okay. Now this is going to form the outside. This drum is going to form the outside case. So at some point I'm going to have some bolts of some kind mounted on the side, but I'm not going to do that yet. I think I'll see if I can make it a press fit where I can just press everything together. That would be simple because it is all experimental. I don't want it permanent really. So if I actually have yeah, let's go the Lego route. Let's go Lego and have a mating method of coupling these together. So right, that'll work. Right, so if I go to this point, right, and if I lift that up by use my ruler to get an idea what I need. I think 5mm. 5. So if that sticks out 5mm, then I'll stick to my wall again. I think it's 2.5, yeah, it was 2.5, so 2.5mm thick. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. I've had some cereals and they've given me wind. Yeah, so having that there is going to come in handy anyway. Let's have a look inside a minute. Yeah, it'll be alright. Right. I think what I'll do is I'm going to stick yeah, I'm going to stick something on the stator on the base of it, because this thing could actually no. Yeah, actually what I need to do is right, hide that. Right, edit. What I need, I'll have to put another false bottom on this a minute. Just while I do this. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another circle. Oh, center, yay. And that is 52, so I want to be 55. Right, divide that. Get rid of this. Now put an overlap on it. 5. What was it I said before? 5mm, was it? Hang on a minute. Forgotten what I did the top one at now. My memory's failing me. Right, the top one is 5mm, so I want to capture the male side, which this is the male side. So when they clip together, I want to capture this piece, this section inside this. So this wants to be a bit longer. It wants to be 7. Right, 7mm deep. Right, that's it, I've got it. Problem solved. So we've got a 7mm flange, right? A little clip together onto the basically the top of itself, but there's going to be a series of these that clip on. The stator, there's a stator sitting there happily. That is the question. Right, view. Hang on, let's just close that out. Close group. View hidden. Unhide. Right, the stator is sitting nicely in there. Let's look inside the wall. Yep, it's just a little bit through there, but that's fine. It wants to be tight fit. I don't want any slop on the stator because it has to hold everything centered. Actually, what I can do though is I could scale this up a fraction. Just a fraction, I think I will do. Right, so this thing, make sure I've selected the right thing, hide. Uh-oh, hang on. unhide. Right, let me just scale this up a fraction. Uniform scale, let's just scale that up a really tiny little bit. 1.01. Yeah, now let's have a look at it. I should no longer get bleed through on my walls now. I've got a gap there between the stator and the thing. How big a gap is that? It's 0.5 millimeters. That's perfect. That means I'm not going to have to start filing everything down and sanding everything, because that's going to be just right. And I can put a rubber seal around it if I want, but that's, by the time that's been printed, it'll be tight. It's 0.6 on that side, which is weird because I didn't do a uniform scale. I've just realised something. I'm recreating something that's already been invented. Oops. Yeah. Actually, I remember now. The old vacuum cleaners, they used to have steel drums. They used to push together, clip together. Then you used to put tape around them to hold them so they didn't slide apart. I'm basically doing the same thing. Well, makes sense. Who needs screws if you can do it this way? Well, I've scaled the whole thing up so the top is going to be the same. It's just going to be as tight in there as it would have been before, so that's good. That's good. So that's my drum that's going to hold things together. Now I have to bring the other one in. You hidden. Edit group. Unhide. Unhide. Uh-oh. I've got something wrong here. What have I done? What have I done? Oh. Yeah, I know what it is. Nothing to worry about. It's just the height's too much. I've got the height too high. That's what I've done. Hang on a minute. Yeah, that's what I've done. Okay, so this goes up to the bottom of that one. Right. Yeah. Alright, let's just hide that. No, get out of that a minute. Close group. Hide all of that. Damn it. Not all. Oh no, what have I done? Yeah, I've done screwed up something again. Yeah, I have gone on, something's messed up. Let me see, what have I done wrong? Right. Okay, so that's still alright. Bring that back up again. I'm just going to leave it flush now. I need to move this lot up. Hang on a minute. I was watching snooker earlier. Right. I need to lift this up. X-ray a minute. Oh, actually no, just a minute. Right, right, we're going to raise the roof. Yeah, I need to raise the roof. By 2mm. Raise that to the roof by 2mm. Go inside, raise that by 2. I'm going to go inside this wall, have a look. That's my rotary system with the red. Right. Now I need to lift this lot up inside. Close group. It'll be easier if I just hide the outside. Hang on, hide that. Actually 1.7 is about right. Now let's bring the other one back. View hidden. Unhide. What the hell? Something's sticking through it. I'm gonna, of course, let's have a look. Have I gone and moved off? Have I lost my centre? I think I need to scale it up. Right. Oh, scale. Nothing's happening. Right, I've just made it one a little bit bigger. Right, that should be right. Let's have a look. How thick is this, by the way? This I've had issues before when I'm in these things, and let's have a look. The cross section where these two meet. Ooh. Oh, I think it'll be alright, I think. I don't know. No, that's hollow. That's... Uh-oh. No, I'm not worried. I'll be alright. I'll stick some goop around it if necessary, but these things are such a pain to make. Right, so that's that one. So let's have a look inside. Oh. Uh-oh. I haven't got any clearance there now. Oops. Right, hang on. Point. I'll just go 1mm. I can always fine tune it later. On the surface. Oh. 1mm. Right, that's better. See what's happened over here. Oh, that's okay, that's good. Except them things on the inside are frigging faces are all backwards again. Oh no, they are, because that's hollow too. Oh, those faces need to come out, I think. Yeah, they do. These frigging things. Hang on. This, yeah, these faces need to come out. Because we're in a void. I'll get errors when I try to print it. This is going to be a drag. Doing all this lot. Hang on, try to do it from the inside. Yeah, that'll work. Oops. Oops. It's a tight gap. Oh, shit. I have to zoom in. I hope I'm not destroying something else. God, I can't even keep my mouse straight. Oh, nearly there. Only 4 more to do. Right. I should avoid some nasty surprises later. Actually, I'm going to export that and test it now. I think I'll just see what it looks like. Right. Export SDL. What shall I call it? Canopy. Oh, actually, there you are. Yeah, got errors. I thought we would. Let's see where the errors are. Well, yeah, it's that wall that's too thin. I knew it would be. Just give me an error because I'll see if it can fix it. Oh, it fixed it. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah, the only thing is when I print this I'm going to have support material around the outside wall. Oops. Oh well. Can't win them all. Export. Well, we're getting there slowly. And yeah, having said that, I am going to put my kettle on. Oh, I've been thinking about something. While I was making my cup of coffee, I had a thought. I could avoid having support material if on this edge I actually sloped it at a degree angle. So if I put another ring, if I put a ring around here somehow, oh, actually I have an idea. Let's try that, something else first. Let's go back into Sketchup and see if I can actually now that I've removed that false thing on the inside, it should work better now. So if I lift this lip up now, if I get this lip, that's X-ray. Oh, that's going to work. It's gonna, yeah, it's gonna stop the weak point. That's gone. So the weak point's gone now. Now let's have a look inside. I've still got that hole. Hope so. Take the X-ray back off again. Oh no, it's created another frigging. Oh, actually that should be alright. I've got these frigging false walls that I don't need inside. I've got, I don't know. Oh my god, I've got loads of them. Oh no, that's the other part. Oh, I see. That is the other component. That's why it's a different colour. Yeah, I've got. Actually, why is it sticking through there? Why is it sticking through there? That is not supposed to be sticking through there. There's something not right here. There is definitely something wrong here. Right, that's my stator, the yellow thing. And it's sticking right through the... Oh, just a minute. Oh, I see. I need to lift that up more. Yeah, that's what the problem is. Right, so this has to go up. Yeah, that's what the problem is. Right, let's bring this up. Right, that's better. I want to go up a bit more. That's what the problem was. That's better. Right, my stator can sit in that trough there. The gap between let's see, what's this gap? Because I'm zoomed right in right now. The gap between there. I'll hold my shift key down, and there is actually it's 1mm now. Oh, it'd be alright. 1mm is nothing. Anyway, a little bit of foam going around there to act as a sealant and also reduce noise as well. That would be fine. Yeah. Oh, except I've got frigging... I don't believe this. Reverse face. Why does I keep getting these frigging I am not going to orient my faces again, because last time I did that everything went to cock. I'll have to go around and look. It's because I extruded it, that's why. The only disadvantage to increasing the divisions to 100 is you end up with a lot more flipping errors. I mean, individual errors that you got to fix. That's the problem with that. Right, I think that's sorted. No, I wanted to slope that. And it's not easy because this end's got to fit into that one, so I can't slope it all the way. I could smooth around the edges, but then I'll never be able to make any changes if I do that. Oh, bugger it, I'm just going to leave it. Actually, thinking about it, support material won't be a big problem on this side. It's a lot shallower than this side, so I'll just have to print this thing. Oh no, I can't. That won't work. That won't work. I'll end up with a lot of support material on the inside if I do it the other way up. I mean, if I print it that way up, it's going to be terrible. Support material everywhere. So it's got to be done upside down like that. Oh, actually, there is an idea. I don't know if this will work. Let's find out. No. Oh, I could select all of these. No, actually, that's probably not a good idea. Right, I need to hide that. Right, I want to see what's going on. Oh no! These are wrong as well. Faces are facing out. They're facing the wrong way again on the inside. What the heck is going on with this? What's the thing there? Why? Oh, I see what the problem is. There's no frigging wall. Oh. Oh, I probably messed it up when I deleted those things. Well, what I can do is I just have to lift this back up again. Stupid things. Just because I'm a novice with Sketchup, I really am still learning stuff. Novice beginner with it. Well, yeah, that should work. It's just that wall's very thin. I'm trying to figure out a way to solve that. And basically the thickness between there and there, it's going to snap off when I print it. Oh, actually that wouldn't be a problem, would it, really, because I could just glue it all back on. What else could I do? What happens if I bring that down? Well, if I on the outside, oh, it won't let me. Oh yes, I can pull it. Do it on there. Oh, that's thickened that wall up a bit. Yeah, that's gonna work, I think. Yeah, but the faces are wrong again. So maybe when I delete these things earlier I shouldn't have done. That's probably what I did wrong. Right, I'm just going to see if I can fix this with the netfab. Export. New. Huh, it's filled a friggin' what's happened there? Well, that's no good. It filled a friggin' hole in. Sorry about that. I'll move the microphone away. I'm not used to having the microphone under my nose, you see, and that's why I just caught it with my hand. Sorry about that. This program is full of issues. What else can I do? I can't see the problem there. I know what it'll be. It'll be them frigging faces that are wrong. It's because them faces inside. In here. Back to front. Just a minute. I know what I need to do. Edit group, select all connected, intersect faces with model. Now orient faces. Oh, you see the orient faces? You suck. Undo. Right. Let's go inside a minute. Right, this freaking wall. Orient faces. Ah. No, it's. Huh, it's turned the friggin' inside out. Inside out. Oh, you see, orient faces. You suck. Undo. That doesn't work. Right, well I've intersected faces with model, so let's try exporting it again. See if that made a difference. Well, let's have a look at this. Where is that error line? Where is that? That yellow line there is the error. This netfab's got its uses, but it's so hard to navigate. And everything, you zoom in, then you roll it, and everything rolls out of picture. Ah, I can't use this program, I really can't. Well, let's try the auto repair. Yeah, it's filled the bloody hole in again, hasn't it? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Apply repair. Yeah, okay. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something. Let's see if this works. Right. Delete this part. Erase. Right. Import. Alright, let's see if it what happens. Right, it's re-imported it, and it looks like it's fixed everything. But right, hang on, let's have a look. No, this is weird. It looks like it's fixed everything. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Re-imported it. Seems to have. No, I've still got some faces wrong here. These faces shouldn't be there. They should be white. Right, let's try re-importing it, exporting it again. Because it hasn't put that lid on this yet. Let's just a minute, let's check something. I'm sure that's still there. Oh, I've lost something. I've lost my other model. Never mind. I can copy it anyway. I had a duplicate and it's gone. I think I deleted it when I erased the other one. Alright, so let's save it. Export. Now let's re-import it. Oh, I was back again. It keeps putting a frigging face there that shouldn't be there. You know why? I know why. It's that frigging... Right, hide. It's that frigging false wall in here. This frigging thing. Hang on. That's the outside wall down there. That's right. This one. Yeah, this one shouldn't be here. Right. Edit group. Oh. I'll delete these again. These should not be there. Oh. Right. At last! Finally! I imported it, exported it and imported it, no errors! Yay! No errors. Yeah, it was that stupid inner border thing that was wrong. Right. Didn't make any changes. Right, let me bring that other stuff back. Unhide. Now, let's see. Let's hide this outside one now. Hide that. Make sure everything's there. I haven't deleted anything else by accident. Right, okay, that's good. Now what I need is to copy that again. Ah, where are you? Stop jumping. Right, bring canopy back. That canopy is just too bloody long. Oh, hide that again. I am sick of adjusting this frigging thing. That is right. Which means I've got to, yeah, I know what I'll do. I haven't got my canopy right yet, that's the problem. Actually, it's supposed to go on the outside anyway, so it's not supposed to be on the integral, so maybe I need two different versions. Let's see. Oh, I'm still alive. Oh, still working by the looks of it. Right. Oh, I need to think about this a minute. I want it so that I can add sections on, you know, as in pairs of, you know, the rotary part, that's the red part and the blue part, and the stator, which is the yellow part. So I can add, say, multiples, either have 4 or 2 pairs, as in this is a pair, this is a pair, have 2 pairs, or have 3 pairs or 4 pairs, and add them and subtract them, and without making too many changes, and have the same canopy that couples them all together, basically. I want to be able to do that if I can, and it's a bit of a mathematical nightmare because I don't do math. So it's a brain work problem. I'm falling asleep now. So what can I do? Oh, I'll tell you what, let's make 2 canopies. Right. Let's make 2 canopies and couple them together. And actually, let me colour code this canopy. Paint bucket. Let's colour code it olive green. Oh, it's actually called yellow green. Weird. We'll colour code that yellow green. I'll do the other one. I'll just do one and I'll copy it. I want to be able to see the difference when I... What the heck's happened here? Why is that? Oh, hang on. I thought I deleted that other one earlier, and I haven't. I didn't. It was just hidden. Because now I've got 3 sets. Huh? What the heck? I don't know. I must have been hiding. That's weird. Oh yeah, I did. I copied it. That top one, I copied it, didn't I? Yeah, that's what I did. Alright, let's just get rid of this bottom set. Right, that's better. I can see what I'm looking at now. Because we've got the other set inside there. Turn the X-ray off. Right, I've got one set inside there. I need to copy that. And that should fit in like that. Right, let's just... Oh! I think I can see what the problem is now. Just a minute. Hide that one. hide that. Ah, right, that one slowed down a bit. Ah, I need to make this longer, that's what the problem is. Oh, yeah. Oh no, we'll have them frigging things open up on me again. Just a minute. If I push this up, edit group. If I just push that up. Right. Without introducing more errors, we should be alright. Right, so I lifted that up. That needed to come up because oh damn it, I'm having a real nightmare figuring this out today because my brain's not working. Where's that other one? That other stator thing? Hang on, that other canopy I mean. That's the other canopy. Unhide. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase that one. I'm going to make this canopy into a component. That way when I copy it and change one, it changes both of them. Make it a lot easier to line things up. Undo hide. Right, so right, yeah, this thing wants to be taller, so just a minute, let's edit this, edit group, hide that top thing. Alright, undo that. The X-ray for some reason it's not working very well. Hard to see anything at the moment. I don't know why. Maybe I need to be on the other side. It's all about lighting. Like the stator. When I X-ray it, the stator just disappears on me completely. Right, well that... Yeah, I think I know what it's doing. I have a feeling I'm going backwards. I need to bring this down. Let's see. Hang on a minute. Close loop. Edit component. Right. Oh, damn it. Because I exported this and then imported it again, I've got these flipping divisions in the damn thing now. I hate it when it does that. The netfab, it just puts these extra lines. Now look, I'm deleting the extra lines, I'm losing my faces. This is what really pisses me off. So I've got to redraw some of this stuff to fix it. Alright, thank you, I've got you back. Gone again. Look at this, look at the mess. This is what netfab did. Netfab, you made a right mess. A real frigging mess. Fixes one thing but creates a whole bunch of other problems. Keep losing my frigging face. I don't want them frigging lines. Because when I extrude it, I have to do it multiple I have to do it multiple times. Nuts. This is crazy. Absolutely bloody crazy. No, I bet you I can't get my face back now. Nope, can't get my face back. Finally. Finally, got it back. Right. I've got rid of all them frigging lines. Right. So, the problem is this needs to be pulled back down. Let's go by 2.5, 2.5 millimeters, and let's bring that down to 2.5. I'm getting frustrated right now. Right now, let's have a look. Yeah, better. That's better. Right. Am I going to win? I don't know. I like to bet you when I export this thing again, it's going to have more errors in it. Right, so I've reduced that and I've got the gap that I want. And unhide. Let's bring this down. And I don't know how far to bring it down, so I'm going to bring it down to that edge just there. And I'm going to go inside and measure. So this wants to be blue axis, shift hold, shift down. That wants to be, that's 7.7 millimeters. So I want to bring it down 7.5 millimeters. 7.5 millimeters. Oh, hang on a minute. How thick is that other green one? .1. 7.5 minus 2.1, 5.4. Right, so shift lock. What was it? 5.4. Huh. Hey, what? It never moved. Hang on a minute. Just escape. Something wrong here. Damn thing moved off axis. 5.4. Yeah, right. At last! Right, that should be right. So if I go down there, oh, let's get this thing out of the way. Hide. Right, I've got a big gap. That's what I expect, because the canopy's gonna in between. Undo hide. This needs to come up. Copy that. Oh, hang on. Select first. Oops. I hate it when it does that. Copy. I can see the line. Let's just bring it right up there. Right, let's come down to my edge. Oops. Skip. Right, I need to measure that. I've gone a bit too far. Oh, let's undo it while I'm in that position. Undo. Right. Let's just bring it down while I'm inside. A bit at a time. Right, I'm right on that edge. Now, I need to get down below here. Oh, I'm lost now. I'm totally lost. Can't see where I am. Oh, I'm gonna just get out of here. What? Erase that a minute. I want to see what's going on. What the hell was that? What is that? Eh? Alright. Hide. Hide. That one doesn't have one. Oh, hang on. Yes, it does. What the heck? Erase. I got a friggin'. No wonder I'm confused. There's a friggin'. Yeah. That thing that was in the error that was in the thingamajig was back. Right, now I can see what I'm doing. I was so confused by what was going on. I had a false floor which I didn't want. Right. View. Hidden. Unhide. Unhide. Right, now let's X-ray. Can't make anything out. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of the guts. Right, let's just hide all of the guts. Hide. Hide. Right, I've just got the canopies now. Right. Let's go inside and we'll see where they meet up. Ah, I wasn't far off. I am literally oops. I am very close. Right. I don't know which is which is moving up and which is moving, hang on, select. Bottom one. No, the top one. Oops. What the heck is going on both? No, I'm just gonna, oh, I see. Right, that's the, I just want the top one. I can't see it moving. Where is it? Oh, that's why. I was right on the edge. That needs to go down. I've got you, right. That needs to go down by 9 point. I'll go down by 9.7 millimeters. Oops. Friggin' mouse. 9.7. Right, we've gone down 9.7, so that should be interlocked with that one now. Right, now let's bring those bits back. Bring the bottom one back. View, hidden geometry. Oh, hang on a minute. Hide that one. Unhide. Oh, damn it. Wrong one. I want the guts. I want the guts to show up. What's going on here? Right. Right, the guts are showing up. This is a frigging nightmare. I'm just gonna have to print this at some point and test fit everything. I'm trying to get as close as I can. It's very hard to see what I'm doing though. Don't suppose anybody's interested in watching this. It's like watching paint dry. Nobody's watching. And YouTube loves to flash bad video settings in my face. I think that's too high. Let's go inside and have a look. Yeah, I'm a little bit too high. So that wants to come down by half a millimeter. Right, so half a millimeter. Oops, wrong one. Oh, freaking heck. .5. However, something says I need to come down further than that. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. I'm just going to come down to that, see that freaking gap. Right, you see the blue part's the stator, it's not moving, so it's fine. A little gap there. Right, so that's good, that's okay. I'm just checking to make sure I haven't lost my centre. It's still centred. Right, so that one's okay. Now let's bring the thing back. Let's have a look at this. Where's the step? I'm trying to find it. Unhide, right. I'll get there eventually. It's just a lot of fiddling, jiggling around. Right, let's go and have a look at this while it's in this hidden mode, so I can see the boundary layers there. Aha! Unhide. Right. So that blue is the stator, that's actually overlapping a bit, so this ledge wants to come up. remember these are components now, so any change I make to this one will also be done to the other one, so the other one's going to be, oops, right, that's what's the distance, what point is 3mm, that's close enough for that. Now, has it brought more errors into play? I don't know. Oops, what we've done. What did I just do? I clicked on something, I was trying to hide it. I mean, it's trying to deselect it. Now, this rotary system is colliding with it at the moment. Right. Edit component. Well, let's bring this down by 0.7. Bring that there. Aha, yeah, I was collided with it. Actually, I've come down 1.6 actually. Yeah, that's better. Right, that's better. I've got clearance there now. Let's unselect that. Close component. Right. Let's hide the guts again. Hide the guts. Oh, freaking turn off the hidden geometry so I don't see that. Right. Go back inside. Hold on a minute. Undo hide. Yeah, what the heck? This is a big gap. That's 3.3mm. That's too big. Let's go and traverse through here and have a look. Right, that's inside of the wall, that's okay. And there's the lid. That's okay. So that top one's good. Hide that one. Aha, right, I see what the problem is. This wants to come down a bit. Right, select the guts. Them frigging things look like teeth. Ugh. So I'll bring that down. Point 0.8. Right, I'll bring down 0.8. That's my gut feeling. Right, let's check the no, I've come down too far now. Let's undo it. Right, okay, so that's aha. So I want to be down by 0.3. Right, that's 0.3. And that's touching on there now, which is just about right. Let's have a look down here. Right, so this basically wants to go up. Two 2.3. I'll get there eventually. Right, I've got that one measured up on that one. No. Let's bring the other. Let's hide this one. Hang on a minute. I need to get out of it first. Let's just make a new group. Make group. So that's separate. Bring the other one back. Unhide. Unhide. Now let's hide this top one, which is a new group. Hide that one. Now I can get this one synced up. Just want things want moving up and down a bit, that's all. I think. If I'm right, Yeah, that wants to come up. That's hollow inside. I'm navigating down these tubes, the air passages, simply because I know where I come out. Right, there's that ledge. There's that ledge. Oops. I'm going off tangent. Alright, that's pretty close. Let's see what's sticking out. That's good. That's good. Right, let's see if I can get. I'll see if I can navigate my way. Oops, back through these tubes. So let's have a look up here. We should have a clearance. Have we got clearance? Way up there, yeah. Have we got clearance between here and here? Oh, this is the same piece, that's fine. This is the stator, so this is not spin. Hang on a minute, is this right? Yeah, the blue is the stator. This is not spinning. The gap should be between there, the blue and the red. Yes, we've got a gap between the blue and the red. How much of a gap have we got? Half a millimeter, well, 0.4 millimeters. That's close, that's good enough. So we've got a gap between the red part of the rotor that's spinning. Now let's go through the rotor. I'm in the rotor now. Have we got a gap down here? We should have about 0.4 millimeters. Oh, we've got 0.9 millimeters. Oh, hell with it, that's close enough. 0.9 millimeters. I mean, this is not the exact science. By the time I've printed this, things are going to jiggle around anyway. Yeah, that's pretty damn close. So now the only question now is, when I unhide the other lot, will they meet up? Will this spacer meet up with the other ones? Now, the way I'm going to find that out is edit the group. I'm going to edit this spacer. I'm going to paint the top of the spacer dark, whatever this is, purple. Actually, I'll paint the outside of the spacer with red, and then I can find it more easily when I'm in X-ray mode like that. I can see it better. Right, now let's get out of this, out of that. Let's unhide this lot. Unhide. Right, that was one group. So now, when I go down this hole, we should not have an overlapping. There's the red. Oops. Right, there's the red. Ah, that looks pretty close to me. Hang on, where's that purple? The purple is on top of the red. So that's where we've got these layers mixed up. So it looks like I've got it bang on, because this is another space of this blue one. So it looks like the two layers are just joining there. Oops, backed out too much. The way to find that out is to go down again, click on this, hide it. Oops, turn it. Right, now let's go back up. I can't see where I am now. Right, there's the purple, there's the red. Unhide. Oops. Hang on a minute. Redo hide. Right, let's go inside the tube. Undo hide. Oh yeah, that's not bad. There's a bit of an overlap there, I can see it. Undo, unhide, so it'll be hidden again. Yeah. How long are these? These are overlaps. That's about 0.8 of a millimetre. Oh, I'm not worried about that. What I can do though is oh, come on. Feels like forever I'm backing out. What I can do yeah, this can come up a bit more. So select that. Let's come up by... Oops, what am I doing? I don't want the flipping outside, I just want the middle. Oh, of course, edit group, because I put them in a new group, didn't I? Duh. Right, so this middle part wants to come up by wrong one. I want this. .9. I'll come up. Right, now we should be clear now. We should be really clear now. No overlap. Just some faces. Faces that are touching. Well, that's now. close, close. I think I need to save this before I go and mess it up and lose it all. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the stream. Been going long enough. At least I've made some progress. Because technically, these should I should be able to stack these now. Now I've got my measurements about right, and these should be stackable. And the end cap, basically, right at the top here. What I've got to do is I have to divert the airflow that's coming through here. I need a chamber. It's basically an air chamber where the air can be spiraled to the outside using some more of these things, and have a pipe on the side, an intake pipe on the side, because the bearing has to be mounted in the center, and there's nothing to mount the bearing on there. So I've got to have this canopy basically has to terminate in such a way that a bearing and a motor that can drive it is mounted at one end, and then there's a canopy, an air chamber where the air can flow to an intake section. And also the other end, also I want to be able to take the air from the side and not the middle, because it's just the way things have to be, because there's got to be a drive shaft running through. So yeah, there's that fiddly bit to do, but each end's unique in that respect. I get really frustrated when software doesn't seem to do what I want it to do, and it's mostly my fault probably, because I'm just not used to using it. But it's nice to be able to moan and groan and not have somebody tell you off for moaning and groaning. Yeah, well, I'll probably actually print some of this stuff out. Well, not all of it, but I'll print something out that I don't need to modify further, you know, like the rotor, just to see what it comes out like, the part in the middle. I'll finish working on the canopy and print that later when that's finished. So rather than adding an air chamber onto the canopy, what I'll do is I'll make a separate piece for that and then clip that on as well, which is basically the same thing I've just been doing really. I'm actually upside down at the moment. What I really need to do is X-ray, select all, and I need to flip along the blue direction, because I want it upside down. That's it. That's right. I flipped everything upside down. Oh, everything's... Oh, my blades have been reversed. Oh, I don't want that, I think. Oh no, that's no good. Undo that. Oh, what are we doing? What's going on here? No, yeah, let's see. No, they haven't. They were right. Redo flip. Oh, actually I didn't need to do that. Undo flip. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. Yeah. Gonna go to bed soon, I'm tired. And that's it for now.